Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. So once again, we're back here in Costa Rica, land of land cruisers. As you can see, there's quite a few here. Some really nice ones as well. But occasionally you come across some really cool vehicles. This one here is a farm truck modified Nissan Patrol diesel. And this thing is pretty cool. It's in the shop getting some work done on the motor. Besides that, I think the customer is wants to get it back in his property, pulling stumps, pushing cows around, things like that. This thing's a monster. Coil over springs, pretty custom, chopped looks like, and ready to work. But this video is not about a cool Nissan Patrol. It's about a 1978 original Scout pickup. And this one here is pretty rare for Costa Rica. Not too many of them came to the country. And this one was modified, as you can see. This was a pickup. I'm going to check the VIN numbers. All the information is here and see how it really came from the factory. But we think it was a pickup version. And at some point it was modified. You can see that. But there's some cool stickers. Got the Scout, of course. And pretty sweet. So the thing about this one, we're going to try to figure out is just exactly how it came from the factory. It appears to have been repainted, and we have some information here, which is nice, but there's signs of overspray, and so we do know it was repainted at some point. So we don't know where this came from, the US, and so we don't know if the work was done there or here, but we're going to try to figure it out. This is just a really interesting setup. Kind of little jump seats here, both sides. And this thing is pretty original for a International Scout. The dash is really clean. You can see all the glass is nice. Looks like 26,920, but it's only a 5-digit. Who knows where that's at? So it's 126, 226, 326, not sure. And this does have the 345 V8 in it. I'm assuming it's 4-speed and dual range transfer, 4 high, 4 low, 2 high. Everything else appears to be somewhat stock in here, except for all this work. It appears to be the original motor. All the badging on the valve covers. So V8 International, and there's some more stickers over there, some more over there, and it's been in Costa Rica, so there's some rust, that's for sure. This most likely original grill, lighting, obviously the nice International over there. Underneath, definitely some surface rust, but nothing horrible. So the plan is some sort of restoration. We're not sure yet. Any thoughts, let us know. If you have seen something like this and can let me know what it is exactly, I'd appreciate it. Until next time.